Hi everyone, my name's Shane Erb, and I'm going to be doing my video presentation on hypoxia. Today I'm going to be telling you a little bit about hypoxia, then I'm going to be talking about the symptoms of hypoxia, and finally I'll be talking about the treatment of hypoxia. Hypoxia is a condition where the body's tissues are not adequately oxygenated. This lack of oxygen is usually due to an insufficient amount of concentrated oxygen in the blood. This lack of oxygen in the blood can have moderate to severe adverse effects on various body cells. These effects on the body cells control important biological processes. With the deprivation of oxygen, it is hard for the body's cells to do its duties. Hypoxia may be caused by different conditions such as anemia, in which the amount of functional hemoglobin is decreased, affecting the oxygen carrying ability of blood. Another example is carbon monoxide poisoning. This is where the chemical binds to the oxygen receptors on the red blood cells, blocking oxygen out. Hypoxia may also be caused by heart failure, cardiac arrest, or heart attack. This is when the circulation of blood is slowed down, leading to inadequate amounts of oxygen supplied to the body. Also, high altitude may lead to hypoxia due to a lower partial pressure of oxygen in inhaled air. Also, deep sea divers are sometimes at risk of hypoxia if the breathing gases have not been prepared correctly. Symptoms of hypoxia. Some of the mechanisms adopted by the body include an increase in heart rate, myocardial contractility, and cardiac output. When the heart pumps blood to increase the output of circulating oxygenated blood, there may be a decrease in the amount of blood supplied to the peripheral tissues. When this happens, it leads to blemish or discoloration. This blemish or discoloration also is called cyanosis. Treatment of hypoxia. Hypoxia is treated by improving oxygenation and increasing the partial presence of oxygen in the blood. One of the most important methods of treating hypoxia is by administering oxygen. The increase of concentrated oxygen being inhaled increases the partial pressure of oxygen in the blood and corrects hypoxia. Devices for delivering oxygen are nasal cannula, simple oxygen face mask, non-rebreathable mask, bag valve mask, and finally transport ventilator. The body also has ways to defend itself against hypoxia. The ways the body defends itself is by breathing harder, by crowding more red blood cells into the blood so that it can carry more in every circulating milliliter, also by pumping blood at a greater rate, and by widening the blood vessels which supply the vital organs. These adjustments can be made very rapidly. And that's all I have for hypoxia. Thank you.